Hey, how you going? Just looking around. Just a little rabbit. Minding my own business. Oh, hey, I'm gonna go back in the house. What are you doing? Filming me? Get that come off me, huh? Making me angry. Why the fuck you feeling my spot? Hey, Cheryl! Cheryl, come here. What? Fine. I name it Carotine. Do it your fucking self. About time you did something once in a while. Yeah, why'd you get off your fat ass? Lazy cunt. I ought to kiss you right now. Sniff your butt. Don't you even touch me. Oh, just come sniff it again. Oh, yeah, I'm in the mood, yeah. Yeah, let's get into it, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna follow you in there. Let's do it, get on tonight. Get it on good and proper, yeah? Yeah, we'll make some of those parachute and sex tapes, yeah?